today I'm doing an unboxing. So this is the package, and then I'm not unboxing the scissors, I'm just using them. So I'm gonna open this. There. And shut. And then I think I know what it is. So I think that it's the Moriah Rubik's Cube because I know that we ordered that. And it's in a square, and when I was looking at the package, I saw the word Moriah. So, yay, bubble wrap. So here it is. It comes in this clear case. And it says Moriah and the Rubik's Cube thing. And then Rubik's Cube. Here it is. I don't know which side's the front side because it's not white like a normal Rubik's Cube on the side. So there's this side, which is the pink side. Then there's the purple side, the yellow side, the green side, the blue side, and the orange side. So it has pink, green, yellow. Oh, I didn't show you the yellow. So that's the yellow side. So pink, green, yellow, purple, orange, and blue. And green. Wait. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So on the blue side, it looks like there's the chicken family, hot cocoa. There's Shelly and Eustace, Galaxy Cat, and one of her plushies that she made. Next, there's one of the plushies that she made with Mary Crafter. Another animal themed, I'm not sure what that one is. This one, which I want to call Nala for some reason, but a purple monster, a puppy and a pumpkin, bunny and a strawberry, yeah. Her fish one that it's the fish one when she did, I don't know what they're called. Nesting dolls. Another character that she made with the one that I want to call Nala, then another one that she made with that, and then a fox. Then there's Georgie, Mr. Pickle, Mrs. Pickle, like Cupie I think, Derp, sleeping sloth, slow sloth, I don't know, the baby hamster, the one that's enemies with the cute little dragon, and then the pig, which is normally kind, but she gave it angry eyebrows. So that's at the purple side. Then there's the green side, which has a cat that she drew, one that she just randomly made, the dog with the frosting in a donut, one of her humans, which I think was like her only human that she liked. I've never seen that one. It's a cat eating strawberry. One that she made in her Create This Book 2, I think. A fluffy pig, I don't know. And then, what are their names? Peanut butter and jelly. And these two I really like them. Then there is the orange side, which I don't know any of the names besides, I don't know any of these guys' names. One of them she made with an Artie Crafter, which is that one. So that's the orange side. It has a lot of like ice creams and whipped creams and stuff. But yeah. Then we have, wait, did I show off what? Oh no. This one, the pink side. It has all the bear family, the plant, which she made with the hopeless bin, which is my favorite. One that she drawed in one of her videos, one that she did as a painting palette, a penguin, her grateful monkey, and the ghost. So I think that's all the slides. I think I showed them all, but yeah. this side, and this side, wait, and that side. This side and this side. So that's all of the sides. I really like this. I'm gonna keep it in its case, but I'm gonna take that out. So I really liked this. This is 2 thumbs up. So yeah, just gonna put it in here. It's a very tiny case. There. So yeah. Anyways, have a great day. Have a good rest of your day, and bye!